very good work for bringing people economically and socially protective schemes they are running. Over to you, Lakshman sir. If you explain our audience,
Yeah, thank you so
what
much.
kind of services we offer.
Yeah, we actually are Wealthmax, Wealthmax Financial Services Limited. We are based out of London. FCA, Financial Services Authority regulated firm. Yeah. And what we do is we look after the people. We bring the solution for their need of the financial nature, which involves, starting from even providing mortgage, so which is like a help to buy house, which is what is important, and that become their home. So basically, that is one need. The other thing actually we do is we bring the protections. So protections are the variety of the insurance products, and then services, which is to build a solution that could cover people, their life, and health, critical illnesses, children, and then obviously even businesses, businesses such as we can look after their health, health, products, and then these kind of things, the protection products. We also provide the pensions. Yes. Pension is also very important. It's a more of a retirement planning. Yeah. How you do it, how you invest, when you invest, and then all along there is a message of what is the best for the people and how the tax efficient products could be useful. For any product in the country, any services that you bring around, our approach is save the tax of the people. Saving tax is like increasing your wealth. Otherwise it's going to go down. So that's why wealth marks, we call it, to maximum living. And this is how it's very, very suitable for Indians and all the Asian, even anybody actually. And we have the person from all the backgrounds, from the UK, not having enough knowledge. So we help them become more educated, alert, and then we offer them, we are offer the advice. They make the decision. Yeah. But our job is to bring the knowledge. Yes, yes. And to bring the advice. So that is what we do. And you're very focused.
Thank you so much, sir. And I want to bring a light on a word FCA which we use, and which is Financial Conduct Authority. This form is regulated form, which gives us one more layer of trust on the finances, the companies within here. Thank you so much, sir, giving the perspective across. A personal question I wanted to ask you. Maybe many people have that question in their mind. Everybody talks about capital markets today. So, do you do any service in the capital markets? Do you help people invest their money?
We don't directly do any capital market service. Yeah. Our focus is more on to protecting the risk, because the capital market, the risk really high risk, yes, can go down, can go up. Yes, that's perfectly fine. But when you do the pensions, yeah, and the pensions we do get invested into the markets. But we don't directly allow them or how the people give the money to put in the market to give back. We purposefully, intentionally, and to protect our brand, we don't get into that sort of position.
Okay. So, one of the top three products of your organization are pension and
Yeah. So the more is the Wilson Estate Fund. Again, people don't have any knowledge. Estate is very important. Estate is something that we build on for a long time.
Yes.
We don't have the right solution. It can attract a lot of taxes. So we actually bring that as a Wilson Estate Fund. Number two is the protection.
Yes.
Variety of the products. We have more than 20 big leading insurance companies. We can bring the solutions from them.
Yeah.
Also to create the comparative statements with respect to financially which one is good for them, as well as which one would still cover the kind of their own needs. Because again, everyone's needs are different.
Yes.
It's not like one for industry, everybody is more.
Exactly.
And the third thing is the pension that we can kind of again give the solution to the people. These are the key and services. Of course, then we also the commercial lending. Yeah. If anybody has a business and somehow not able to get the money sorted out from somewhere, you can actually bring that commercial lending solution as well.
Perfect. Yeah. So, when you do the commercial lending, it is for the small businesses and the small to medium sized businesses. Okay. Also, one more question I wanted to ask you. I know the will writing will protect your assets, but what about the pension we accumulated? And if somebody has accumulated a pot of pension, and suppose he has to face unfortunate incident in his life, uh, what about his inheritance? Will they get his pension with a tax or without a tax? And how they can take it?
Well, the pension has been very sure and secure investment, first of all. It is regulated again. When the government gives the tax incentive, when you put it into you contribute to the pension system.
Yes.
Now, when the pots are built up and they kind of grow up into the size, obviously that's another benefit. So, on and all, pension is a kind of very, very good, kind of approach to, I would say, differentiate from the Indian way of working. I think that is very good.
Yeah.
You can also withdraw the money 25%, once you become 55.
Yes.
The rules may change down the line.
Yeah.
But, that's the rule at the moment, the age of 55, 25% tax free. Remaining money still remains invested and can grow down the line. So the beauty of the pensions is it gives you upfront tax benefit.
Yeah.
If the money remains invested.
Yes.
The third thing is that you have the opportunity to get 25% off when you become 25 year old.
Yeah.
And the remaining money again still is there. Question coming back to your, the what happens, is unfortunately situations. Yeah. So you can actually have the it is to the partner, the first, depending on what happens, you could get it, and then it can go to the children also. Yes. Next level. Now, some of the rules are changing slightly. Yeah. And again, this is subject to discussions of how big the pot is and what solution will be appropriate. You can kind of discuss that in detail. Sure. But it's a good product. It's a still a good investment. Timeline wise, we have to stay tuned to what the government does. And obviously we need to be bringing that knowledge to the franchise. But it still is a I would say one of the
Best
options. The best options. When it's kind of protected option, not like the stock market does not really give you, 1 year, 2 year. It's a retirement product.
Exactly. Yeah.
And it's fantastic to secure when you need it down the line, when you don't have the income coming in. Yeah. This is where it really is.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to us today. Really appreciate. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.